In mountainous and foothill areas from July 29th to 31st, unstable weather is expected, which may bring for mudslides. The Ministry of Emergency Situations reports. According to the ministry, all local self-government bodies and city halls have been warned about the danger. SMS warnings were sent to citizens on mobile phones. The ministry urges citizens to be careful. At the same time, work is being carried out on the Chuy region to study the state of high-altitude lakes due to a sharp change in the weather of the territory of the Republic. The flood season is becoming more active. There is a threat of a breakdown of high-altitude lakes. In order to monitor and study the state of lakes located on the territory of the Chuy region, employees of the Emergency Situations Department of the Sokuluk and Issagata district are conducting work on the survey of lakes Akpay, Chongtor, Tuyuktor, Tiliktor, and Chirkanak.